Hey guys, welcome back. For those of you who are new, hey, my name is LaDon. Welcome. I hope you like what you see. Let's get right to the tutorial. So in today's video, I'm going to demonstrate how to use 2-year-old curly clip-ins to create a textured bun that's perfect for interviewing, work, everyday wear, however you want to wear it. And it's super easy to do. So as you can see, I am slicking my hair back into a bun. I actually misted it with water and lavender oil. And now I'm going to use the soft side of a boar's haired brush just to smooth it a little bit more. Please don't use the, harder bristles because they will tend to damage your hair, especially if you comb it all the way through to the end. Now I am securing my ponytail with this raggedy ponytail holder that I should really be embarrassed to even have in this video, but I'm not. All right, so after 2-strand twisting my ponytail, I'm just going to secure it into a Bantu knot. And this is going to be the foundation of my textured bun. So now I'm going to use this edge control by Aide. I believe it's called the Freeze Super Hold Edge Control Gel. And I have to tell you, I expected this to be a bit firmer, but when you emulsify it between your fingers, it breaks down really, really beautifully. I'm not used to seeing an edge control like this. I see it a lot in skincare products, but not so much in hair products. So this was really, really pleasing to me. One of the things I'm discovering about this edge control is it's one of those edge controls that you can actually use on your hair without fear that it's going to make your hair really, really hard. Some people like that, but those of you who have been following the channel for a while know I like touchably soft hair. I like to touch my hair and it feels soft. If someone touches it, I like for it to feel soft to the touch to them. And so I just don't like anything, in terms of hairstyling products that are really stiff and hard. So as edge control products go, I feel like this is it's almost more of a gel than it is one of those sort of styling puddings, which is what I was actually expecting. So this is a very happy surprise. Okay, so now I'm going to just use a scarf to secure my edges, just to let the hair set a little bit, and then I'll begin to manipulate it. You could really leave your scarf on for as little as like 15 minutes. This sets pretty quickly. Look at that. Gorgeous! Okay, so before I apply my clip-ins, I just wanted to do a quick recap of how they have held up. These hair extensions are, I think, a Brazilian kinky curly texture, and I've had them for almost 2 years and they have held up so beautifully, and I haven't even taken like super good care of them. I've washed them like every so often, like even now they need to be washed and conditioned and cared for and loved, but I've had these for 2 years and they're still in really good condition. They look beautiful. I get compliments every time I wear this hair, which is really helpful, to me to wear it just in terms of protective styling with my autoimmune illness. So, knowing that you are making an investment in good quality hair that's going to last you a long time means a lot to me. And I imagine it means a lot to anyone who works hard for their money and wants to get the best value possible. So yeah, for those of you who are going to ask me how this hair has held up, this is 2 years later and it is still amazing. So I'm going to put information in the section below or above for you guys to learn more about the hair, and then you can make the determination for yourself. But I did want to make sure that I answered any questions you might have about its durability. All right, so back to the install. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is unsnap the ends of the hair. And that's because I use the ends to anchor the hair and secure it to the top of my head. I do not clip all the way through because you really don't need to do that. You're gonna take your first clip and install it pretty close to your bun, and then you're gonna secure it, and then you're just gonna wrap the hair around your little bun. I'm gonna be using this one, which is the longest clip-in, and then I'm gonna be using 2 clip-ins with 3 clips on them. And then I'm going to be using a final clip with 2 clips in. Alright, so I have fully installed the hair, and as you can see, that is the perfect amount of hair for a nice voluminous sort of curly ponytail. So you have a couple of options. You could take a bit of the hair and just wrap it around the base of the clip-ins here so that you don't see where the wefts are. And then you could, you know, just pin that into place and wear the hair like this. But I'm going to put it in a bun because I want to wear this hair to work tomorrow. So to do that, I like to start off by pulling the hair up like this and then taking a ponytail holder and placing it near the base, but just above the base of the Bantu knot where I, you know, created my own hair ponytail. And I like to do that because it helps to ensure that the top of that little bun isn't visible to the eye. That's it. Is that the easiest hairstyle ever? Okay, so I wanted to show this option. You could apply charms or any sort of decorative pieces to the bun to make it appropriate for special occasions or what have you. I'm just going to leave one in the front because I think it's cute for everyday wear. Yeah, and that's it. So super easy, super quick, and I think anyone can do it. So let's talk about these products. So during the video, I did talk to you a little bit about how these clip-ins have held up. I don't really have much more to say about them. I try to treat them like I would treat my own hair if I cared for my own hair more often. These are like those plants that, you know, you cannot water for a long time, but, you know, they'll still look really good. That's how this hair is. With regard to the Weave Aide Freeze Super Hold Gel, I will say this. One of the things I really love about this product is that it laid my hair down, you know, using it as an edge control without creating a super hard cast on my hair. Some edge controls are so stiff that when you go to put them in your hair, it's almost like it's tugging on your hair. You know what I mean? Because they're so hard and they're so thick. And I liked the fact that I didn't have that experience with this product. This leaves the hair feeling really soft and healthy. I got waves. I'll never have waves. Oh, I'm getting seasick. Hold on. No, but I have waves. I never have waves. So, I mean, I feel like that is a wonderful kind of experience I've never had before in doing my hair and pulling it back. It just doesn't happen to me. So overall, I have to say that I really like this product as well. Would I approve this for fine hair? Absolutely. Would I approve this for all hair types? I think that all hair types would benefit from this product. If you're looking for a product that would lay your edges down and provide you with some control around your edges. Now, if you're looking for something that is going to be like shellac on your hair, and some people like that, you know, this probably isn't that product. This is, to me, a healthy hair product. And sometimes I feel like those really hard finished products aren't so good on the hair. So I hope you guys found this video to be helpful. I'll put links to all of the products in the information section below. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you guys next time.